Senior management in companies find that NetStock is really useful for them because it provides a platform for them to enter in their goals of what they'd like to achieve. It then predicts the output of those goals and how they will achieve that over time. The visibility, the dashboards, and putting the steering wheel firmly in their hands makes a big difference to companies.
All Round Suppliers sells products for use on the electricity grid. We have around 9,000 SKUs that range from high voltage cable down to nuts and bolts. My previous experience with managing inventory, especially inventory software, was always spreadsheets. We were always coming up with our own formulas, our own spreadsheeting, spending numerous hours not having functional software like NetStock.
We didn't have proper inventory management tools, so while we were reacting on a day-to-day basis, ensuring we were placing orders and arranging stock, we didn't really understand what we were ordering and when we needed to order it. Having previously been working with static min-maxes that just weren't dynamic to our market changes, being able to have NetStock dynamically react to those changes in a timely manner was really an aha moment for us. It wasn't something we had visibility on before, it was something we couldn't react to before, and it really gave us those tools to adjust to our expanding stock profile and changing markets.
The features I like in NetStock is it manages all of our data for us, and it does what it's meant to do. It's a complete package. It plans our orders, it manages our forecasts, and it gives us confidence that when we're raising orders, the hard work and the calculations have been done for us.
The aspect of NetStock that I find most useful would be the dashboard. It's easy to navigate, gives me the critical inventory information for areas of focus and areas of concern that I need to address today. Previously, we didn't have the measures and the visibility on supplier performance, which was one of the key benefits that we found from NetStock. Having that visibility on lead time performance and our estimated dates of arrival, we didn't have that visibility before. So whilst we were focusing on trying to have the right stock at the right time, we didn't really have an understanding of where our suppliers were letting us down in that factor.
So NetStock principally gives a company three benefits. It helps them reduce their inventory while achieving a high level of fill rate and dramatically improve the effectiveness and efficiency of their replenishment process.
NetStock really makes a lot of aspects of my job a lot easier. Having a one-stop shop for our critical inventory information in one place that I can look at across multiple locations, I can sort it, validate it, and look at the projections means that I can use one application for all those planning processes.
Without NetStock, we'd be spending a lot more time on spreadsheets, on forecasting ourselves, doing our own calculations, and not putting as much time into actually placing the order or expediting the order or managing our suppliers. And that's the biggest benefit we see with the software.